Drinking this tea every day for just 4 weeks can significantly lower creatinine levels, and that's proven by science.
Okay, let's taste it. Mmm.
Katherine from Double O Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. What I have for you today are 3 drinks with extraordinary health benefits, because helping the kidneys improve has never been so tasty. Our number 3 is an incredibly healthy bulletproof tea to stay energized all day long. Number 2 is the healthiest breakfast smoothie. And, well, don't miss our number 1. This is an herbal tea proven to repair your kidneys. Let's start immediately with my personal take on butter coffee. Number 3, Matcha Bulletproof Tea. If you want more energy and mental alertness during the day, this recipe is for you. This tea is based on the popular bulletproof coffee, a special butter coffee that promises to improve mental focus and energy levels while preventing hunger. It may work, but it's not a safe recipe for a renal diet. On the other hand, all the ingredients of my tea are not just safe, but are actually going to help with kidney health. What we are going to use is a zero cholesterol, zero phosphorus alternative to butter. Here it is. MCT oil. MCT oil is a very powerful home remedy that has recently seen a breakthrough in treating kidney problems. This oil is extremely useful for people with diabetes or for those wanting to lose weight. There are studies that shows how adding MCT to the diet can directly protect the kidneys. This is very similar to coconut oil, so if you cannot find real MCT oil, you can use coconut oil. Now, another ingredient that I really love is matcha powder. This is a very special tea which is only made in Japan, and thanks to the growing technique farmers use, it has several unique health properties. First of all, it's very rich in catechins, natural antioxidants that fight free radicals, the cause of aging and disease. Now, many teas have catechins, but the number of antioxidants in matcha is thought to be more than 100 times greater than regular green tea. And having more antioxidant in the diet is extremely useful. The catechins in matcha tea can even decrease your blood pressure. Another benefit, matcha is known to boost brain function.
Coconut oil, matcha, the vanilla extract, and stevia, it's optional.
As an optional, you may even add a couple of shots of espresso here if you want more buzz. And that's it! By the way guys, let me know if you will try this recipe.
Okay, let's taste it. Mmm. It tastes amazing.
So guys, don't forget to share this recipe with anyone you know who cares about their health or likes tasty teas. Okay, what about some food now? I have a smoothie I want to show you made with some of the most powerful medicinal superfoods you can find. If you drink it for just a few days, you may benefit from its amazing blood pressure lowering, anti-inflammatory, anemia fighting, and immune promoting properties. This one is going to give a serious boost to your kidney health. Let's see how to make it. Very first ingredient is garlic. Okay, you can't believe garlic can taste good in a smoothie, but before knocking it, you have to try it. The reason why I'm putting garlic in a smoothie is because it can lower blood pressure more effectively than prescription drugs. It has powerful antimicrobial properties. It's one of the most powerful anti-inflammatories on earth. And there's a simple trick that will make you barely taste garlic in this smoothie. You want to use fresh garlic for this recipe and to chop it about 5 minutes before starting to prepare the smoothie. Just put it into the blender for now. Now cut and peel a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root and add it to the blender. Ginger is a really amazing superfood. I always keep it in my pantry because it will make nausea disappear in just a moment. Also, 1.5 tablespoons of flaxseed. This is another miraculous superfood. Flaxseed is especially powerful for people with inflammatory kidney disease. According to studies, flaxseed can actually improve kidney function in people with nephritis and kidney disease. Now let's add some color. Frozen berries. Here I have blueberries. They have the most powerful antioxidants in the world, but also blackberries, rich in plant compounds that can lower cholesterol, help fight off colds, and promote cardiovascular health. These small red ones are red currants. They can decrease cortisol production, a known risk factor of kidney disease. Let's add about 1 cup or 120 grams to our smoothie. And also cherry bell radishes. This is a powerful kidney detoxing veggie. Cherry radishes are known for their diuretic and cleansing properties, but they are also really alkalizing and will give a nice spicy taste to our smoothie. We are going to use around 100 grams or a little bit less than 1 cup of radishes. And while you may think our smoothie is already healthy enough, I'm still going to add some turmeric to it. This is probably the most powerful anti-inflammatory food on earth. Let's add a small piece, around 1/4 inch, to our smoothie. If you don't have fresh turmeric, use 1 teaspoon ground turmeric. Now, a simple trick to make the curcumin in turmeric up to 2,000 times more powerful. Let's add a pinch of black pepper. We are also going to use almond milk. Almond milk is the best milk alternative for people with kidney disease, in my opinion, because it's very low in potassium and phosphorus. I will use less than half cup because I like my smoothies creamy. Okay, this recipe is for 2 people, but you won't have trouble sharing it with a relative because it's going to taste amazing. Or you can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 days. Time for our number 1 now. Drinking this herbal tea every day can significantly lower creatinine levels, according to science. In one study, kidney disease patients using a recipe similar to this had a significant improvement in kidney function in just 4 weeks. Ready to make it? Here are the ingredients. Uva ursi leaves, a powerful herbal remedy. Uva ursi can reduce the inflammation in the kidneys and urinary tract. This natural anti-inflammatory also has pain-relieving properties. Stinging nettle, another potent anti-inflammatory. Yes, this tea will get you rid of pain, which also boasts gentle diuretic properties. Also a very cheap ingredient. Horsetail. Horsetail, this is a natural diuretic and detoxifier. According to research, it may even increase the amount of urine the kidney produces, directly helping kidney function. And it can also help fighting swelling, balancing body fluids, lowering blood pressure, and removing uremic toxins from the body. The main ingredient of this tea, astragalus. Yes, one of the most powerful herbal remedies on earth. Astragalus was proven to be incredibly effective against the progression of kidney disease. And this was our last one for today, but now I'm making 3 videos a week, so I'll be here again next Sunday. My next video is going to be very interesting. We will see the easiest way to read and understand the most important values for kidney health in your blood test. Don't miss that one. Bye!